Real estate. What is a real estate? Is real estate good investment? I would like to present my thoughts towards real estate. For financial freedom, cash flow must be continuously increased. Major people try to invest their money in such kind of things like real estate, stocks, commodities like gold, and they think that these all things are an asset. But in the last video, I have said a box can be an asset and a liability. It depends on the owner. So there is a question, should we invest in real estate? First of all, we should understand how can investment be made good. After you invest your money in the box, try to understand box. First of all, box is such kind of real estate property. Try to invest in box. You should check how much return can be generated by the desirable box. What's the ideal number of the return? As my perspective, minimum 3% return must be generated. So that you should invest in box. Otherwise, you should invest in bank FD. Why 3%? According to current time. If your box generates 3% return, your box will be free for you in approximately 20 years. You can pay loan repayment from your box well. So you should try to get more return. Let's take an example. An apartment at 1 share price so that as 3% rule. You must have to get 30 lakhs rent per year. You can pay the loan repayment from this rent. It may be a good solution. Should you invest in your money in the real estate? Yes, you should invest your money in the real estate. But if you take a loan to purchase the box, there are conditions you should think about it. You should follow 3% rule. Second, if you don't give a box to rent, you use for personal life so that you may not generate return, so that you have to pay the loan repayment yourself. As a addition, the loan repayment amount must be less than 30% of your following income. Meet you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share with your friends.